Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 11. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days. Now, if you have just stumbled upon this video and want to do it on its own, that is also perfectly fine. However, if you want to join us for the full challenge, I will link everything down below. Today we are starting in a seated swan, so just make your way into a seated position facing the longer edge of your mat. Extend both of your legs long and then hook the right ankle over your left knee. Bring your arms back behind you, brace yourself on your palms, and then bend into the left knee, bringing that leg closer in. You decide the intensity, so you can have your leg further out or closer in. Just make sure that your right foot is flexed and that the right knee is moving out and away from you. Try to keep your back straight and long. And if at any point this becomes too much for your hip, you can always lessen the intensity by bringing that left leg further out. Gently stretch out your left leg, unhook the right. Take a moment here in a seated position. You might feel that your right leg is longer than the left, and that is perfectly fine because we will even out on the other side right now. Brace yourself on your palms behind you. Hook your left foot on top of the right knee and then bend into the right knee. Make sure that your left foot is flexed and that the left knee is moving away from you. Again, you decide the intensity. You decide how close in you bring your right leg. Then just settle here for a few more minutes. Slowly extend your right leg long, unhook the left. Take a second here. We're going to move into a straddle now. If you have space around you, you can remain as you are. Simply widen your legs. I'll have to turn because I don't have as much space here. Widen your legs as much as is comfortable to you. And if you notice that your low back is really rounding here, you can always place either a rolled up edge of your mat under your pelvis or a pillow or anything to just elevate yourself a little bit. And it's going to encourage this natural tilt forward with a straight back. So once you settle into your straddle, you can flex or point the toes. This doesn't really matter. You choose what works best for you. Then first hinge at the hip as we fold forward before allowing yourself to passively curve. So rounding the spine and allowing gravity to do the work for you. Doesn't matter how deep you go into this pose. The main goal here is to really relax your body and allow the fascia to stretch. Very slowly begin to roll yourself back up, helping yourself with your hands as you walk them in. And the head is the very last to lift here. You can take an easy seat for a moment, letting yourself breathe, letting the spine be straight before moving into Shavasana. Extending your legs long and letting the feet flop to the sides. Bring your arms down by your side with the palms facing up. And just really allow yourself to settle against your mat, feeling the nice grounding support beneath you. And I will guide you back out when it's time. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that serves you right now. And when you're ready, roll onto one side first.
before using your hands to press yourself up into a seat.
Take any seated position that feels best to you right now. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just tap into the day that you've had. And as that connection grows, see what comes up for you as something that you can celebrate or be proud of, maybe have appreciation for, or feel gratitude for. Just allow one thing to come to you and then connect deeper with that thing. Allow yourself to truly feel the pride, the appreciation, that sense of celebration, or that deeply rooted gratitude as we stay here in silence for a few more. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.